Saturday's class, we have discussed about like what is actually Java class, like how many types of Java classes are there. Like there are two types of Java classes are there, like predefined classes, user defined classes. And I told you every Java predefined class always starts with a capital letter, and user defined classes can start with both small letters and capital letters. But it is highly recommended to start a Java class name with a capital letter. I already told you that. And when you're speaking about methods also, yes, I told you two types of methods are there, like predefined methods and user defined methods. Yes, predefined methods are again classified into parameterized methods and non-parameterized methods. User-defined methods are also classified into parameterized methods and non-parameterized methods. Actually, up to here only we have discussed that. After that, there is a small power issue is there. So after that, I did not completed my session. Am I right? Yes. So guys, kindly please listen. You did not got Saturday's recording. You will not be getting, like yesterday, you have received only up to 4 recordings. You received only up to 4 recordings, right? So all those 4 recordings, like video recordings, are present in your chat box right now. So Saturday's recording, today's recording also, you will be getting it by tomorrow, guys. Okay, Saturday's recording and today recording, you will be getting it by tomorrow. And guys, one more time I am saying you, recordings will be provided only for demo sessions. Am I clear with this? Okay, Shubham, please log off and log in again. Please log off and log in again. So guys, one more time I'm saying you, recordings will be provided only for demo sessions. For regular sessions, recordings will not be provided. And for regular sessions, I'll be giving you the notes. Don't worry. Okay. So whatever the concepts which I'm explaining, for example, okay, yes, just a second. Right. Okay, for example, guys, this is the data which I am trying to explain you right from the very beginning of the classes, right? So all this entire data, I'll be trying to upload it in the Google Classroom. Google Classroom is already created. So most probably you will be getting that Google Classroom either tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Most probably you will be getting that Google Classroom link directly to your email IDs. Okay, you'll be getting that. In that Google Classroom. I'll be uploading this entire data, guys. So kindly please don't worry about this notes, right? Okay. And just a minute. Shantanu, you're asking, sir, can you can please tell exact syllabus? Shantan, you will be getting that mail to your mail, like email. You'll be getting an email to your mail. So kindly please don't worry about that. Okay, I'll be trying to cover each and every topic, buddy. No issues. All right. Okay, guys. Okay. Now, so guys, let us try to continue our session. So day before yesterday, that is on Saturday, I told you these things: predefined classes, user defined classes, predefined methods, and user defined methods. Now, what I want to do is, guys, I will be trying to write, one more time I am saying you, I'll be trying to write some methods right now. In those methods, kindly please check which are parameterized methods and which are non-parameterized methods, which are valid methods and which are invalid methods. Guys, up to now, I did not discuss anything about parameterized methods and non-parameterized methods. Now, what I want to do is, I want to give you some examples. You just check. Can you do that for me? Yes. Okay, guys. Okay. Now, please observe here. I'm just trying to write some methods here. Okay. Void method one like this. This is method one. This is method two. This is method three. Int a comma int b like this. Method three and int b equal to 10. Okay. Now this is method 4 and here I'm going with int a equal to so just like 85 like this, int a equal to 85. Please wait for that, Suresh. Please wait for that. Please wait for that. Okay, I'll respond. Please wait for that. Okay, int a equal to 85. Now just let me try to take one more method. This is method 5 and here I'm going with simply int a comma string yes, int a comma string yes. Now let me try to take one more method, int a comma string yes comma char c like that. This is method 6. This is method 6. Now let me try to go with one more method, method 7. And here I'm just trying to take, just let me try to take it like int a comma int a like this, int a comma int a like this, not more than that, not more than that. Okay. Now please observe here. Guys, online students, I'm requesting you one more time. I'm requesting you one more time. I may not be able to answer your questions in the middle of my session. Anant, can you hear me? Can you hear me, Anant? I may not be able to answer your questions in the middle of my sessions. Okay. So please, guys, once the session is completed, you know that I'll be giving you the time, right? I will ask you, like, I will try to answer your questions, guys. Kindly, please don't worry about that. Concentrate on the topic. For example, Sangaram, you're asking me, will you start from the beginning in the Google session? Because many of us attended second session out 2 sessions out of 5. Sangaram, what I will be trying to do is, I'll be trying to upload all the demo videos in the Google Classroom. Don't worry about those demo videos. Okay. Am I clear with this, Sangaram? You concentrate on like how many classes you have attended. I'm there now. I'll explain you. Please don't worry about that. Okay, guys, online students, is it okay for everyone? Is it okay for everyone? Like in the middle of the session, I may not be able to answer your queries. So if I'm not answering your queries, please don't think like sir is not responding. The thing is, if I try to answer that, our session will not be forwarded, guys. By the end of the session, I promise you, I will answer your questions. Okay. As simple as this, guys. Please, please. Okay. Okay. Now, right. So Suresh, you are saying that sir, I had messaged on WhatsApp and Suresh sir is not responding. Let me speak with him, buddy. Let me speak with him. Okay. All right. All right. Now, please observe here, guys. This is method 7. Okay. One more method. Let me try to go with like method 8 and just one last method. This is method 9 and here I'm just trying to take int a or else directly a comma b, a comma b. So guys, right now I am having 9 methods are there. Totally I'm having 9 methods, like method 1, method 1, method 2, method 3, method 4, method 5, method 5, method 6, method 6, method 7, 8, 8, and 9. So my question is, guys, in these 9 methods, can you please tell me how many methods are non-parameterized methods? Now, before answering the question, guys, up to now, I did not told anything about what are parameterized methods and what are non-parameterized methods. My question is very, very simple. How many methods are non-parameterized methods? And can you please tell me what are those? Exactly. How many methods are non-parameterized methods? Only 2. Only 2 methods. Only 2 methods are non-parameterized methods. What are those? Method 1. This is a non-parameterized method. Method 1, and method 8. And method 8 is also a non-parameterized method. All other methods are parameterized methods. All other methods are parameterized methods. Okay, except method 1 and method 8. Okay, all other methods are parameterized methods. Now, guys, right now in method 2, method 3, method 4, method 5, method 6, method 7, and method 9. In these methods, some are valid methods and some are invalid methods. Some methods are valid and some methods are invalid. Now, method 2 is a valid method. Method 2 is a valid method. Now, how many parameters are present in method 2? How many parameters are present in method 2? Only 1. What is the type of that parameter? What is the type of the parameter? Int. Exactly. Int. Right. Okay. Now, method 3 is a valid method or invalid method? Guys, method 3 is invalid method. Why it is invalid? Why it is invalid method? Guys, point number one. Let me ask you, how many parameters are present in method 3? How many parameters are present in method 3? 2 parameters. How you are differentiating those parameters? How you are differentiating means how you are separating those parameters. Separating those parameters with the help of a, you are separating those parameters with the help of a comma, guys, comma, right? We are trying to separate those parameters with the help of a comma. Very good. So, guys, we should never initialize the value of a parameter at the time of declaration. Means, guys, declaration means you are creating a variable. Okay, you should never Initialize. What do you mean by initialization? Initialization means providing a value. Okay. One more time I'm saying you should never initialize the value of a parameter at the time of declaration. Sir, then when I'm supposed to provide the value for A and B? Guys, hold on. I will explain you. Can you please tell me where is the mistake in method 3? Can you please tell me where is the mistake in method 3? Exactly. The mistake in method 3 is we are trying to provide value there. No, we should not be giving that. So this is a invalid method. We will be getting an error. What about method 4? Is it valid or invalid? Yes, very good, guys. Very good. Method 4 is also invalid. What about method 5? Method 5 is valid or invalid? Guys, method 5 is 100% valid. No problem. No problem, guys. 100% valid. For example, how many parameters are present in method 5? How many parameters are present in method 5? 2 parameters, right? 2 parameters. Both are like one is int and second one is string. So fine, guys. No problem. No problem. Okay. Method 6, valid or invalid? Method 6 also valid. So totally how many parameters are there? 3 parameters, one integer, one string, and one character. Okay, no problem. No problem. Okay. Now, Mohammed, you're asking, sir, if we assign some value to A in method 3, so is it valid? So guys, what do you say? Mohammed is asking me a question, sir, for A, int A equal to 100 and int B equal to 10. Is it valid or invalid? Mohammed, it is 100% invalid. We should never give the value. We should never assign a value for this variable at the time of declaration. Is it clear, buddy? Please respond in the chat. Yes. All right. Very good, Imtiaz. Okay. Now, method 7. Guys, method 7. Valid or invalid? Method 7 is valid or invalid? It is, guys, invalid. Same variable name. How can you take a same variable name here? Both are having int A and int A. Did you observe that? Did you observe that? Come on, guys. Duplicate name. So invalid, right? So method 8 is, yeah, of course, that is valid method. It is a non-parameterized method. Okay. What about method 9? Is it valid or invalid? Method 9. Guys, method 9 is invalid. Sir, why it is invalid? What is this A? What is that A? Is it int or byte or short or long? What it is? Oh, okay. I understand that. So data type is missing. Am I right or wrong, guys? Right. Anita, for the parameters, I'm speaking about parameters. We should not provide the value at the time of declaration. Inside a method, fine, no problem. But at the time of declaration, you should not provide any value. Okay, Amma? Anita? Is it clear? Right. So, guys, now. Right. Okay. Right. Guys, you can take any number of methods, no problem. Like any number of parameters, no issues. Okay. All right, guys. All right. Now, let me try to take a method, guys. Void method 1. Please observe here. Void method 1 int A comma B. int a comma b. Guys, can I take like this? Can I take like this? I already told that, but some people are again asking me the same question. So Alpesh Patil, this is integer. Okay, what it is? What is this b? What is that b, buddy? Did you understand that? Did you understand that? So it is not valid. Okay. So this also you are supposed to declare a data type, then only it is valid. Okay. All right, guys. All right. All right. Now, so please observe here, guys. Please observe here. Now, what I'll be trying to do, I don't want to go for more number of parameters, only one parameter. Now, guys, please observe here system.out.println, and here simply I am writing method one called. Okay, simply I am writing method one called. Now my question is, okay, method one called, and I want to print system.out.println a, just a, or else let me just try to make it a value value, a value is plus a. Can I write like this? You need to respond. Can I write like this? Okay, guys. Now, guys, please observe the code. Please observe the code. Main method, main method. Now, inside my main method, what I'll be trying to do, okay. Rohit Patil. Rohit Patil. Can you please unmute?
Sir.
Yeah. Tell me, Rohit, why we cannot write like that?
Sir, semicolons are outside, inside,
Yeah.
sir. For plus A, it cannot be printed.
I'm sorry, I did not understand.
Plus A, it's outside semicolon, sir.
Plus EA is outside the semicolon.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Where I need to write plus A?
Print value should be in that semicolons, right, sir?
Okay,
Total.
these are not semicolons, Rohit.
Sorry,
What
sir.
are these? These are double quotes.
Double quotes. Okay, sir. Sorry, sorry.
Okay, it's okay, buddy. No issues. These are double quotes. Now, whatever the data which you have written inside this double quotes, that data is known as string. Rohit, okay?
Okay, sir.
This data, whatever the data which you have written inside the double quotes, that data is known as string. For this string data, what do you mean by string, Rohit?
No, sir.
No, string, Rohit. String means a group of characters. String collects a group of characters. Okay, Rohit?
Okay, sir.
Now, what I want to say here is, here in this particular line number 8, this is a string data. And for this string data, we are joining, we are concatenating a value.
Okay.
What is a value? Up to now, I did not give any a value. For example, new class A. What is the use of new keyword, Rohit?
New for reference name, sir.
No, not reference name. No. What is the use of new keyword? How many classes you are attending, Rohit?
Sir, 4, sir. All are attended.
So if
But
you attend,
fourth class is some what I missed, sir.
okay, if you are attending all the classes, then Rohit, you need to work hard. This will not be sufficient.
Class object.
Yes, new keyword is used to create an object, Rohit. Okay,
Sir.
you
Object.
should never forget this. Even in sleep also, if I wake you up and ask you, you are supposed to say that New keyword is only used for creating an object. And what is this?
Class.
Yeah, what is that? It is a constructor. Constructor name will be same name
Same
as
as
class
class
name.
name. Yes,
Don't
sir.
forget that, Rohit. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So for this object, I'm giving a name like AOBJ, and that name belongs to class
Class
name
A.
like that. Okay, Rohit?
Yes, sir.
Right. So please concentrate, buddy. Please concentrate correctly. All right. All right. So guys, yep, we can create an object like this. And now AOBJ, guys, please answer my question. Please answer my question. Nikhil, wait for it. Wait for it, Nikhil. Wait for it. Now AOBJ dot show method, or else AOBJ dot method 2. Method 2. Now, can you please tell me why I'm getting an error? Why I am getting an error? Guys, you can say this. Yes, come on. Come on. Very good. Very good. Why I'm getting an error? Sir, come on, sir. Method 2 is not available in the program. So how you are expecting that? I mean, compiler does not know what is method 2. Oh, okay, guys, I'm sorry for that. I am sorry for that. So let me try to write method 1. Now, uh, same answer, same exact answer. Method 1 is also not available in the program. Sir, what are you talking? Method 1 is there. Guys, yes, method 1 is there. But is this a parameterized method or non-parameterized method? Is that a parameterized method or non-parameterized method? It is a parameterized method. Parameterized method. How many parameters you are having? How many parameters you are having? You are having one parameter. What is the type of the parameter? Type of the parameter? Integer. But which method you are calling here? You are calling method 1, which is not having any parameters. In your program, do you have method 1 which is not having any parameters? Exactly. Exactly. That is the only reason we are getting an error. Did you understand, guys? Did you understand? Sir, okay. I understand why I'm getting a compile time error. I understand that. Understand that. But how I need to call method 1? Guys, AOBJ dot method 1, and please try to pass a value. Please try to pass a value here. So, guys, what is a value? What is a value? Muhammad Imtiaz, what is a value? A value is 50. Now my question is, how to pass values for the parameters? Just like a small question. How or how or when to pass values for the parameters or arguments? Both are same, guys. Both are same. Parameters or arguments. How to pass values for the parameters or arguments for a method. For a method. Answer. We need to pass values for the parameters For a parameterized method, whenever we are calling the method, guys, what do you say? Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong? Can you please tell me? We need to pass values for the parameters. For a parameterized method, whenever we are calling the method. As simple as it is. Sangaram, wait for it. Wait for it. Okay. Now, 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 guys, please observe here. Please observe here. Let me try to take one more method. Void method 2, method 2. Now, please observe here, guys. Let me try to have int a comma string s. Int a comma string s. Sir, here also you have taken a. Here also you have taken int a. Can I take like that? Can I take like that? Yes, why not? This a belongs to method 1. This a belongs to method 2. Both are two different methods. So fine, no problem. Okay, guys, okay. Now let me just try to write, okay, write like this. Method 2 called. Method 2 called. Okay. Now here simply I want to write system.out.println a value. Simply I want to write a value value. A value is plus a, and after that system.out.println and yes value value. Yes value is plus yes, like that. Okay, I want to write like this. Okay, now so guys, before calling method 2, let me show you the output. I'm calling method 1, right? So right click, run as Java application, and I'm getting my output like this. Up to now, is it clear for everyone? Up to now, is it clear for everyone? Pooja, I'll explain, not right now. Kindly please wait for that. Kindly please wait for that. Okay. Right, guys. Up to now, it's clear. Very good. Very good. So now I want to call method 2. Right. Now, guys, please observe here. AOBJ dot method 2. If I'm writing like this, am I going to get an error or not? Right now, I had kept line number 22 in comment. If I remove that, am I going to get an error or not? Yeah, 100% will be getting an error. 100%, 100%. Geeta, we will be getting an error. We will be getting an error. Why? Because method 2, you are calling non-parameterized method. In your program, do you have non-parameterized method 2 or parameterized method 2? Geeta, respond. Is it clear? So if we are removing this, we will be getting an error. We will be getting an error. Okay, sir. Okay, I understand that. So I need to pass value. Yep. Yes, you need to pass value. So let me try to pass Java is AWSOM awesome and comma something like 1000. Now, can I write like this? Can I write like this? No. 99% of the people are saying no. 1% of the people are saying yes. Okay. So guys, why you are thinking that we cannot write like that? Any like explanation? Sir, any explanation? Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Sir, first we need to write int. Why? Sir, order, sir, order. First you are having integer parameter. Oh, Then you are having string. So order is important. Oh my God. So if I'm writing like this, I will be getting an error. I'll be getting an error. Okay. So just let me try to keep it in comment like CE. What do you mean by CE? What do you mean by CE? CE means compile time error. Compile time error. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. AOBJ dot method 2. So you are saying that I need to pass first integer value. Okay. Integer value. After that, just let me try to keep this in comment. After that, string value. Okay. Java is AWSOM. Awesome. Now, can I write like this? Can I write like this? No. Why here? Why no? Why no? Tell me the reason why no. Exactly. Guys, always string data should be present inside. Always string data should be present inside double quotes. Now, right click, run as Java application. We'll be getting our output as like this. Method 1 called a value is 50 and method 2 called a value is 1000 and s value is, that is Java is awesome. Am I clear with this, guys? Please tell me, is it clear, guys, for everyone? That is good. Do me a favor, guys. Can you please note down this program? Note down this program for me, please. Go ahead. Note down this program. Go ahead, Sonal. Please go ahead. Abhijit, go ahead. Don't forget, don't try to write about this package, not required. Just start from class. Just start from class, please. Okay. Abhijit, you're asking, sir, why can't we write as BOBJ? This one, Abhijit, you want to write it as BOBJ? You can write. Did I say that you cannot write? You can write, Abhijit. No problem. Abhijit, always name matters. Name matters, buddy. Name. For example, in the place of AOBJ, if you're writing BOBJ, generally how it will say, how it will look like this object belongs to B, but this object belongs to A, right? If you're taking BOBJ, you can write like that, but it's not good to see like that. Am I right, Abhijit? I hope it's clear, buddy. Yes. Now, Sonal, you're asking why we are taking 50 in the brackets. What it means? Sonal, 50 means we are trying to pass this 50 into this A. For example, if I take like this, int A equal to 100. If I ask you why we are passing 100 into this A, what is your answer, Sonal? Are you there, Sonal? If I ask you the question, why we are passing this 100 into this A, we are just giving a value. I hope it's clear, right? Right. Tirupati Rao, compile time error. I am just showing that we'll be getting a compile time error. That's it. Anant, yes, that is 100% correct, buddy. Rathod, I did not discuss anything about static, right? We cannot call directly. Only main method will be called directly. Only main method. Okay? Not all methods, we cannot call it directly. Nikhil, you're asking, sir, difference between compile time error, runtime error. Not right now, Nikhil. There is a lot of things which we need to cover. At the time of exception handling, we'll be covering that. Okay. Raghu, you're asking, sir, why we should write string value in double quotes? It is the rule, Raghu. Java people has given that rule. So we need to follow that. Okay. Please don't repeat the questions. Wait for the question. Please don't repeat the question. Wait for the question. Wait for the question. Okay. Another, how many types of errors? Lot of errors will be there. Not right now. At the time of exception handling, we'll be covering that. Please wait for that. Yes, Sai Durga, whenever you are calling a parameterized method, 100% we need to pass the value. 100%. Okay. Follow the videos, Anant. Please follow the videos. Anita, I'll be explaining that most probably within 2 to 3 days. After guys, after 2 to 3 days, I'll explain you how to install Java, how to install Eclipse, and how you are supposed to run the program like that. Okay, please wait for that. Right. All right, guys. All right. All right. So, guys, I hope you have written the program. Did you write the program? Did you write the program? Yes, I'm removing this. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Guys, 1 minute. Please wait for it. 1 minute. Maurya, be fast. Tarun, be fast, please. Maurya, wait for that. I had already explained, but if you miss the topic, wait for it again. Okay. Pratisha, yes, we will be covering that up to 17, not 11, up to 17, we'll be covering that. Okay. Umesh, core Java is not yet started here. How we will be saying that regarding advanced Java? Wait for it, Umesh, please. Okay, guys. Okay, okay. So I hope it's complete for everyone. I'm removing this, guys. I'm removing this. Okay, now let me remove this. Okay, now, guys, please observe here. Please observe here. Now, what I want to do is, I want to speak about a return type of Java method. I want to speak about return type of Java method. Guys, this is literally very, very, very important concept. So please concentrate correctly. Please concentrate correctly. Okay. Don't ask any questions in the middle of the session. I'm saying you right now. If anyone is not attending my previous sessions, Ravi, like you are saying that, sir, I want to know about the constructor here. Ravi, as of now, constructor name will be same name as class name, which is used to initialize an object. Hold that. Okay. Regarding constructor, again, we will be discussing that. Please wait for that. In one single session, we cannot cover like all the concepts like errors, runtime errors, compile time errors, static methods. We cannot do that. Okay. Kindly please hold that. Right. That's it. Hold that. Like keep that point in your mind. That's it. Not more than that. Okay. Guys, right now, I want to discuss about a return type of a method. This is literally very, very, very important concept. So please, I'm requesting you, please concentrate correctly. Please concentrate correctly. Okay. Right. Now. So just a second. Just a second. Just a second. Right. So guys, please observe here. Parvesh Gupta, you're saying, sir, should I ask a question because I'm not able to see mute or unmute option in Zoom class? Parvesh, you will not be able to unmute the mic here. Okay. If you are having any questions, you are supposed to ask me in the chat. Am I clear with this? Why? Because if I'm trying to give like an option for unmute, some people will be unmuting it, which will be disturbing the class. So if you are having a question, you can ask me directly in the chat. Why? Because not all students will not be present in a silent environment. Some people will be listening this class like along with their family members also. So with the help of headset. So what I want to say is you guys will not be able to unmute, but if you are having a question, you can ask me in the chat, right? That depends upon the question. Okay, Parvesh? Right. All right. So guys, now I'm speaking about return type. Return type. Now, please observe here. Please observe here. Guys, you know what is the syntax of a Java method. What is the syntax of a Java method? Access modifier. Okay. Return type. Okay. Method name. Okay. Method name. Okay. Open braces, close braces. Now, just simply I'm writing system.out.println. System.out.println. I'm writing method one called CLLED called like this. Method one called like this. Now, simply main method inside my main method. So, guys, can I call a method like this? Class A dot method one. Can I call like this? Can I call like this? Okay. Okay. Some people are saying yes. Some people are saying no. All right, guys, no problem. Let me try to explain this. Let me try to explain this. Now, I'm having class A, AOBJ1, class A, AOBJ2. Okay. What is this actually? This is a reference. Reference. Am I right or wrong? AOBJ1 is a reference. AOBJ2 is also a reference. Now, what I want to do is AOBJ1 dot method 1. I'm trying to write like this, and AOBJ method 1. I'm trying to write like this. Now, these two statements are in comment. If I remove these two statements, let us think that this is case 1 and this is case 2. Okay, case 1 and case 2. If I remove case 1 from the comment, am I going to get an error or not? Am I going to get an error or not? Very good. Most of the people are saying that I'll be getting an error. And yes, I am getting an error. If I remove line number 15 from the comment, am I going to get an error or not? Yeah, I'll be getting an error. Okay, very good, guys. Very good. Let me do one more small change right now. For this AOBJ1, I'm giving new class A like this. Now, this is an object. This is a reference. Am I right or wrong? Please tell me. This is an object. This is a reference. Now, my question is, if I remove line number 14 from the comment, am I going to get an error or not? Am I going to get an error or not? Okay, you are saying that you will not be getting an error, and that is absolutely correct. If I remove line number 15 from the comment, Am I going to get an error or not? Line number 15. Yes, you are saying that you will be getting an error. That is 100% correct. Now, guys, can you please tell me, object is important for calling a method or reference is important for calling a method? Exactly. Object, guys. Object is important. Am I right or wrong? For this object, we are giving a name. For this object, we are giving a name, but object is important. Now, let me remove this. I'm removing this reference. I'm removing this reference. Okay. Now, case 1, please observe here. New. I'm creating an object. I am creating an object. With the help of the object, directly I am calling a method. This is case 2. Now tell me, what is the difference between case 1 and case 2? What is the difference between case 1 and case 2? How you are calling case 1 and how you are calling case 2? Guys, in case 1, I am creating an object. For that object, I am having a name. I am having a reference. And with the help of the reference, I am calling method 1. Now in case 2, directly with the help of an object, without any reference, directly with the help of an object, I am calling method 1. Am I right or wrong? So right now, how many times method 1 will be getting executed? How many times method 1 will be getting executed? Exactly. 2 times. 2 times. You are calling method 1 here and method 1 here. How many objects you have created? How many objects you have created? Guys, kindly please do remember, whenever you are using new keyword, pretty much damn sure a new object will be created. Now answer me. How many objects you have created? 2 objects. 2 objects. Both objects belongs to class A. Am I clear with this? This is also possible. Java application will be getting our output as like this. Method 1 called. Okay. Am I clear with this? Good. For example, guys, for example, let me try to have one more class, that is class B, one more class. Now here I'm having void method 1, and here I'm having simply int A and system.out.println A. And let me try to have void, void method 2, and here I'm having string yes and system.out.println yes. Okay. Now main method. Now what I want to do is, guys, I want to call both these methods from the main method only. I want to call both these methods from the main method. Yeah, create an object. Please give a name for that object. And directly from the main method, with the help of that single object. Sorry, this is class B, right? Class B, BOBJ, like this. Now BOBJ, and now 100, and I'm just trying to call BOBJ dot method 2, and here I'm writing Java is AWSOME. Awesome. This is one way. Okay, this is one way. Now new class B dot method 1 100, new class B dot method 2, and here I'm writing Java is awesome. Java is awesome. This is second way. Which one you will suggest? First way or second way? This is first way. This is second way. Which one you will suggest? Guys, now remember what I'm saying. Please remember this point. Very, 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 very important point. It is always good programming practice to have as less number of objects as possible. It is always good programming practice to have as less number of objects as possible. Now tell me, which one you will suggest? First way or second way? First way or second way? Exactly, first way. Why? Because in this first way, how many objects we have created, guys? How many objects we have created? Only one object, guys. Only one object, right? For that single object, we are giving a name, and with the help of that name, we can call any number of methods with the help of that reference. Am I right or wrong? Like whenever you are present in this main method, we can use this name to call any number of methods. No problem. Exactly. We are trying to manage the memory here. Yes. So this is ideal if you are having only one method to call. This is best option to call multiple methods. I hope it's clear, guys. Am I clear with this? Now, could you please do me a favor? Please do me a favor. Note down these two programs for me, please. This is case 1. This is case 1. Okay, just let me try to get it like this. Class A. Please note down class A here, please. Madhuri, there are different ways we will be discussing one by one. Okay, I already told you, not all at the same time. There are different ways, Tali. Online students, kindly please inform me if class A is completed. Class A is completed. Please inform me in the chat. Please inform me in the chat. Okay, one more minute. One more minute. I'm moving to the class B. Just one more minute. Okay, class B. Please go ahead. Class B, please go ahead. And please inform me, guys. Please inform me if class B is also completed, please. This is class B. Suresh, we have already started our sessions. Please don't think like these are demo sessions, okay? These are regular sessions only. Don't consider like these are demo sessions. I already told you. Okay, we want class A. Okay, please take time. Be fast, guys. Be fast. Naveen, Soumya, please be fast. Guys, just a second. Just a second. Krishna, basing upon our requirement, we can directly call the methods, or else with the help of an object reference also we can do that. Akash, yes, you are supposed to send that. Class A completed. Naveen, Soumya, is it done? Soumya, is it done? Yes, please. Please go to class B, please. Right. Sushil, public is an access modifier. Okay. Regarding access modifier, what is the scope of public? What is the scope of private? Protected, default? We'll be discussing that. In the coming classes, we'll be discussing that. Not right now. You need to wait for that, buddy. I like your enthusiasm, but you need to wait for that, please. Okay, Sushil? Yeah, that depends. Like, it's our wish. We can write, if you want to write public, we can write public, or else private, or else protected. If you're not writing anything, then that is default. Okay. Aman, I have created two objects in my program to show you the way, like we can create an object like that also. Okay. You can create an object, Anant, for every line. If you want to create an object, you can do that, but it is literally not a good programming practice. Right. Yeah, you can create, no issues. That's what I'm trying to say. Guys, please inform if it is completed. Please inform if it is completed. Right. All right, guys. I hope it's completed. I'm removing this. Guys, please observe here. I'm removing this. Okay. Now. All right. Guys, actually, up to now, we discussed only about void methods. Up to now, we have discussed only about void methods. Now, I want to discuss about int method also. Okay. So, guys, did you remember in the very first starting days, I told you, whenever we are speaking about a return type of a method, return type. What is the syntax of a method? Access modifier, return type, method name, parenthesis, open braces, and close braces. Now, inside these parentheses, what we need to write? Inside these parentheses, what we can write? Can you please tell me? Exactly. We can write parameters or arguments. Very good, guys. Very good. Now, guys, when you're speaking about a return type of a method, how many options we are having? If we want to write a return type of a method, how many options we are having? 4. What are those? We can use void. We can use all the 8 primitive data types. We can use classes and we can use objects. Now, right now, I want to discuss about integer. Int. Now, guys, are you listening? Very important point. Very important point. Are you listening, guys? Please respond in the chat for me. Okay. Now, the point is, guys, except void method, except void method, if you are writing any other return type, 100% we need to use return statement. One more time. Except void. If we are using any other return types, 100% we need to write a return statement. Am I clear with this? Guys, please respond. Okay. Now, let me try to show here. Now I'm having a method. Please, yeah, I'll be giving an example. Please check this. Void method 1. And here I'm going with system.out.println. And here, hi. I'm giving here as hi. Okay. Now, okay, let me try to give my access modifier also, just to avoid confusion for you. Right. Now, answer my question, guys. Method 1 is a parameterized method or non-parameterized method? Method 1 is a parameterized method or non-parameterized method? Exactly. It is a non-parameterized method. Very good. What is the access modifier for method 1? What is the access modifier for method 1? Public. What is the return type of method 1? Exactly. Return type is void. Void, guys. Void. Okay. Void. Now I'm making this method return type as int. Did you observe an error? Yes. Now, can you please tell me why I'm getting an error? The answer is very, very simple. If this method return type is int, what it should return? It should return an integer. It should return a number. Is it returning any value? No. That is the reason you are getting an error. Means return return 100. Simply, I am trying to return 100. Can I write like this, guys? Yes. Now, method 1 return type is integer. And what is the value returned by method 1? What is the value returned by method 1? 100. For example, I am making this method as int a and 100 plus a. Now, main method. Inside my main method, please observe here, guys. I'm trying to create an object, new class A. Let me have a reference. AOBJ belongs to class A, like that. And AOBJ dot method 1. And I'm trying to pass 100. Now answer my question, guys. What is A value? Just tell me what is A value. I'm just asking A value. A value is 100. Very good. What is the value returned by method 1? Method 1 is returning 200. Sir, how 200? Guys, already we are having 100 plus A, that is 100. 100 plus 100, 200. Very good. Now, method 1 is returning 200 to which method? Method 1 is returning 200 to which method? Method 1 is returning 200 to calling method. Calling method. From which method we are calling method 1? Main method. We are calling method 1 from the main method. Now my question is, if I execute my program, what is my output? If I execute my program, what is my output? Guys, most of the time people will be thinking that high and 200. How that is possible? I'll be getting my output as high only. I'll not be getting 200. Sir, but 200 is returned from method 1. Yeah, 200 is returned. But did you save it anywhere? Did you save it anywhere? No. Means equal to result result and int, after that syso result result. Now please observe, right click, run as Java application. Guys, did you understand? Did you understand? Right, guys, right. Now please observe here. I'm trying to explain it one more time. Guys, I'm explaining it one more time. Now, answer my question. Answer my question. Why I'm getting an error? Answer my question. Why I am getting an error? If you are not answering the question, you will not be understanding the topic. So again, if you're asking me, sir, please explain it again. The thing is, you're not answering and you will not be understanding that. Answer the question, Abhijit. Answer. Don't sit idle. Don't sit idle. Tell me, why I'm getting an error? Because, sir, method 1 return type is int. Method 1 return type is int. Means we need to return a number. What we are returning? What we are returning? We are returning a string. Is it allowed? No, it is not allowed. So we need to return a number. Okay, I'm trying to return 100 plus a. Can I write like this? Okay, what is 100? 100 is a number. Okay, plus a. What is a? A is also an integer. A is also an integer. Okay, what is the value of a? What is the value of a? A value is 100. Okay, so 100 plus 100 means method 1 is returning 200. Okay, for example, let me try to have one more method, public void method 2, and here I'm writing system.out.println hello, hello, hello. Now for example, int value equal to aobj dot method 2 dot method 2. Can I write like this? Why I cannot write like this? Guys, whenever you are seeing equal to, whenever you are seeing an equal to, please start analyzing from the right side of the equal to. Right side. What is happening in the right side of equal to? You are calling method 2. You are calling method 2. Okay. What is the return type of method 2? What is the return type of method 2? Method 2. Return type. Return type. Geeta, what you are doing? Are you listening to the class? Are you listening to the class? Geeta, what is the return type? What is the return type? Return type of method 2 is void. Then why you are saying string? Return type of method 2 is void. So void methods will return anything? Will void methods return anything? No. So method 2 does not return anything. If method 2 is not returning anything, how can you store a value which is returned by method 2 in an integer? Are you getting me, guys? This method 2 is not returning anything. So we cannot store it like this. We cannot store it like this. But method 1, yes. Method 1 is returning an integer. You are trying to store whatever the value returned by method 1 in a result. And you are trying to print that. For example, can I write string like this? Why I cannot write string? Why I cannot write string? Because what is the return type of method 1? The return type of method 1 is int. So you need to store the data in an integer only, not in string. Am I clear with this, guys? Right click, run as Java application. We'll be getting our output as like this. Hi, hello, and a result. We are trying to print the result in the last. That is the reason we are getting it like this. Okay. Am I clear with this? For example, if you are trying to print it here, now please check this. Right click, run as Java application. Hi, 200. That is the value returned by method 1. We are trying to print that and we are calling method 2. Please have this program for me. Guys, tomorrow I'm going to give you a task. Please get ready for the task tomorrow. Okay. Please have this program. It is allowed. Gopi, in this result, it is a name, Gopi. In this result, what is the value you are having? In this result, you are having whatever method 1 is returning. What is method 1 returning, Gopi? What is the value returned by method 1? Answer my question. Value, Gopi. What is the value returned by method 1? Answer. I'm waiting for the answer. Oh, 100 plus A. What is A? A value is 100, right? So 100 plus 100, how much? Gopi, answer my question. 200. So method 1 is returning 200. That 200 will be saved in this result. Okay. So whenever you are trying to print result, you will be getting that 200, buddy. Okay, na? Gopi. Good, good. How we are getting A value as 100? I'm giving A value as 100 here. That is a parameterizer method. Sir, how we will know which one we are supposed to use, like void method or int method? Madhuri, with the practice, you will be understanding that. Don't worry about that. Okay. We can, sir, when we are supposed to use int method, when we are supposed to use void methods, when we are supposed to use string methods, guys, with practice, you will be understanding them. Right now, this is just basics. Okay. Don't worry. For example, whenever you are learning cycle or else bike, for example, in the starting days, do you have any destination to go? You don't have any destination, right? You will learn how to ride a bike. You will learn how to ride a bicycle, like a car, right? Whenever you will learn completely how to use them, after that, whenever there is a requirement, you will be using that. Am I right or wrong? Here also the same scenario, guys. Okay. All the return types we will be discussing in our classes. All the return types we will be discussing in our classes. Don't worry about that, please. Okay. Guys, is it clear? Did you wrote the program? Did you wrote the program? Did you wrote the program? Right, guys. All right. All right. So, guys, that's it. That's it for today. That's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed our today's session. Tomorrow, we'll be trying to continue like more in-depth regarding these return types, guys. Okay. And I strongly advise you, if anyone joined new, like this is the first class, if anyone joined like new, this is the first class, I strongly advise you, kindly please go through these videos, first 4 videos. Okay. Kindly please go through those videos. You will be getting those videos in your Google Classroom. I mean, in the